Hello everyone, this is Max in for the final presentation for GIS for Emergency Management course for from GHU. And here we can see there are nine products that we created um, during this semester. And these are for the emergency management needs, which covers most aspects of emergency management. So, um, let's start from the first one. The first one is the Santa Barbara map book. So, for my area of interest is the California Santa Barbara area, which is a high risk area for fire. So we first see the Santa Barbara map book, which tells um, like emergency management team and also for any related personnel like rescuers and the people who want to know about the area. This is a map that can tell people about the area and is separated in a few hundred pages for a detailed view and uh, to give you an idea of where everything is and what everything looks like. Um, After that, we see a okay, let's go for this one. The place vulnerabilities story map is actually produced to illustrate the place vulnerability assessment we've done during the course. Is telling is basically narrative and included all the results that we've done. Um, it shows the national flood hazard layer, which tell us where are the hazards are for a flood. So basically, you can see that different colors they they display the different possibility of getting flood for a certain area. And also, we have the social vulnerability layer, which shows what area are most vulnerable to um, disasters. Place vulnerability analysis is basically the analysis based on the previous layers. Sorry. And it tells us where are the areas that has the highest possibility of vulnerability of getting damaged by flood. And special needs is an area. It's basically showing us what are the facilities within the study area that are subject to flood and also very important during the disasters. So you see like facilities for elderly, schools, home parks, and nursing facilities, and recreational vehicle parks. We also have community lines. It tells people where to go and how to go to avoid the hazards and find shelters. And the last one shows different hazards, other hazards that differ from the flood. For this one, I showed fire hazards, tsunami hazards, and also landslide susceptibility. Um, these are important to Santa Barbara area. And let's go back to see situational awareness. So situational awareness basically um, uh, is illustrating the similar information from the one we just talked about before. It basically combined the results of place vulnerability analysis and also the special needs facilities into the one map to let um, normal users, like probably residents that affected by the hazards, and also emergency management, to get an idea of the flood situation. And from that, we see one of the important form. So this form is basically um, for people. So basically, the emergency responders, they go to the site and they want to have a damage assessment about the situation. They want to fill out this form about where this hazard is, and is there any structure got damaged and what's the level of damage, and do they need further assessment from official. Um, then we see the damage assessment dashboard. Basically, it shows all the results that are collected from the emergency responders by using the survey we just talked about. It shows all type of the information. Where are the assessment done, and the picture, if possible, how many assessments are completed and how many more we need to do. And there are also a chart that shows the level of damage. So the management team get an idea of what kind of equipment and um, facilities, I guess, they need for this emergency. And this map shows the location of the assessments done, and color them using different color, and shows different level of damage. And from that, we have a emergency response page. This page basically allows residents that got into the hazards where they might need help from officials. They can find information through here about emergency medical service that are available and the shelters that are available. And this map shows the flood hazard we just talked about. And also we have options to find shelter, and also residents can do the damage assessment for themselves to help officials about the situation. Then we get extra data and news to keep people up to date. Then we have a map journal for disaster. This one basically talks about the importance of disaster preparedness. So this one is for emergency responders and also the management team, so they can have an awareness of better prepare for disasters and emergencies by looking over the story map and get an idea of how a disaster can cause damage and money as well. And also, so here we also see a public information. This one shows you the so we're using the Thomas Fire as an example, so you can see the you can see the damaged area and where are the blocks of the roads. Is for residents that affected by the incidents. And last but not least, we see a citizen fire report form. So basically, citizens can use this report to report to officials about where are the incidents happening. So yeah, here this is all the 9 products that we provided for the Santa Barbara emergency management. Thank you.